Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you download Audacity. So for downloading it, right here Audacity download and then go to this first link downloads, and here according to your PC select, as I am on Windows, so I am selecting Windows. So now choose 64-bit installer. So here you can see it is installing, so just wait for it. So now as you can see the downloader has been downloaded. Now double click it and just wait. Now select your language and click on OK. Now click on next, again next, then select the desired designate destination location and click on next. Now again click on next, install. Now just wait, it will take few seconds to install. So here you can see it is showing as finish. Click on it and just wait. Audacity will launch in few seconds. Now click on accept and continue. Now click on OK. So here you can see Audacity is opened. Now you can start recording and editing your voice. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.